So guys, welcome to my channel how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first we have to come this website gigabyte.com. This is officially website and you can see this is search button. Okay, and then enter your model number of your motherboard B860MH and then hit enter. Wait few seconds to open page. Then you can see this motherboard just open. And then click to support. Now select operating system which is using Windows 10. Both operating system driver installations process same. LAN driver. Click to download. This is Realtek LAN driver. And just click to download icon. It will click. You can start downloading and wait few seconds to complete. So it is completed. Just open. Double click to exe. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. Is automatically closed means this is installed.